AV Access 4K HDMI ARC Extender Review. Is this the ultimate home theater fix or just hype? Ever feel like your dream home theater setup is sabotaging you? Like, you're drowning in HDMI cables, remote controls, audio lag, and settings that make you want to throw your receiver out the window? Yeah, same here. You invest in top-tier gear only to realize your devices can't talk to each other across the room. ARC fails. Audio disappears. Control systems glitch out. Everything's almost perfect, until it isn't. You're left frustrated, juggling patch cables and YouTube tutorials at 1 a.m. just to get surround sound to behave. What happened to plug and play? And let's be honest, it spirals fast. Missed scenes, dropped audio during intense movie moments, endless back-and-forth troubleshooting, it drains your energy and kills the vibe. Your relaxing movie night becomes a war with your setup. Friends come over, expecting a cinematic experience, and you're rebooting the AVR for the third time. You start questioning your setup decisions, your life choices, and whether you're secretly being haunted by a ghost that only messes with HDMI. This level of frustration? Unacceptable. But you're not crazy, your gear is the problem. Enter the AV Access 4K EX70 ARC-H2, the home theater lifesaver you didn't know existed. This isn't some sketchy tech gimmick, it's a powerhouse HDMI ARC extender that actually delivers. Transmit full 4K at 60 Hz 4:4 for HDR video, and rich Dolby Atmos audio over 130 feet of Cat6a or Cat7 Ethernet, flawlessly. Audio return channel? Check. CEC? Check. IR and RS-232 control? Double check. One power adapter runs both ends. That means clean installs, no lag, and one less migraine per week. Plug and play simplicity meets pro-level performance. Whether you're syncing a projector across the house or creating a sleek, multi-room AV empire, this is the real deal. Still skeptical? Here's what real users are saying. Zero lag. Beautiful picture. Insane sound. One customer streamed Terminator 2 in full 4K and swore the walls shook. Another ditched their clunky audio rig for this setup and never looked back. Imagine stunning HDR visuals, silky audio return, and one cable to rule them all. No dropouts. No sync issues. Just seamless, cinematic brilliance. Works perfectly with Xbox, PS4 Pro, Fire TV, Denon, Yamaha, you name it. Don't wait till your next setup disaster. Tap in and see why AV geeks are calling this the most underrated upgrade in home theater history. If you're serious about AV, this is your moment. Click buy now before it sells out, because it will. Inventory moves fast and trust us, this isn't something you want to miss. Skip the rewiring nightmares, the expensive EARC receivers, and the spaghetti mess behind your TV. Go pro with one clean cable and rock-solid performance. Join the thousands already upgrading with AV Access. Secure yours today, elevate your home theater tomorrow, and finally enjoy movies the way they were meant to be heard and seen. Don't wait. Act now. Your sanity depends on it.